Sarah Thompson finally got everything she had been chasing. 1.2 million followers, free designer bags, VIP rooftop invites. But she lost the one thing no algorithm could replace: herself. Back in Ohio, they called her the girl with the golden heart. She spent her weekends at the local animal shelter, calming scared dogs, cleaning kennels nobody asked her to clean. Her mom worked 2 jobs. Life was small, but it was real. Then came New York, a marketing job, and a new currency she'd never seen before. Not kindness, not trust, followers, invites, clout. So Sarah started trading. She deleted the shelter photos. She bought outfits she couldn't afford. She practiced a new smile in the mirror, brighter, more city. She stopped being available. She started performing. 800 followers became 250,000 in 10 months. Brands sent free bags. Influencers sent invites. Everyone said, "Sarah, you're killing it." At a big influencer event, a famous creator pulled her aside. "Your small-town shelter content makes you look poor. Drop it, or you'll never stay in this circle." Sarah felt a stab in her chest. She smiled and nodded. That night, she deleted every photo she'd ever loved. Then her mom got sick. Sarah had a paid brand trip to Miami the same weekend. She chose Miami. She posed on the beach while her mom sat alone in the hospital. She told herself, "This is for our future." 2 weeks later, she finally went home. Her mom looked at her, tired, searching, and said, "Baby, you look so different, but you don't look happy." Something cracked. Not loudly, deeply. Months later, at a rooftop dinner with the important people, a rich man raised his glass. "To Sarah, our favorite success story." Everyone clapped. Sarah flashed her $1,000,000 smile. Then he laughed quietly to his friend. "She's good for content, but let's be honest. She's just a small-town girl playing dress-up. We'll drop her when the next pretty face shows up." Sarah heard every word. She set down her champagne and walked out without saying a word. The next morning, she didn't post a highlight reel. She booked a flight home. No cameras, no captions, no applause. Just an old hoodie, a shelter floor, and a rescued puppy in her lap. She posted one photo, no filter, no hustle quote, just this: "I traded my real life for likes. I'm done. I'm coming home to who I actually am." Thousands unfollowed, but something else happened. Old neighbors commented, "We missed you, Sarah." Her mom called, crying the good kind of tears. The shelter asked if she could come back on weekends. And for the first time in years, when she looked in the mirror, she recognized herself. The loudest applause always fades, but quiet kindness stays. The real elite aren't the most seen. They're the most real. What are you trading your time for right now? Be known deeply by a few, not seen shallowly by many.